So Manus AI is here and you can get 1000 credits plus 300 daily credits without any wait list, and you can use it by signing up with a Google or Apple ID. Now no more wait list, which means you can see right here I have now access. Now I have 3 credits received inside my Manus AI account. Now I can use it for, and here you can see this is a dashboard, and here you can see a couple of recommendations right here. Feature, life, research, education, data analysis, productivity, content creator. Okay, so let me just test it out. Okay, why not? So I'm gonna go into the content creator and see what are the templates I can use. Okay, pet love grooming services. So somebody built a website using this, and then somebody built a website. I think it's a mostly web website. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this and I'm gonna ask it to build a calculator for me. So for that I'm gonna go to the Google and search real estate calculator, and go here, and let me just take a screenshot of it. So where is it? So, okay, mortgage calculator. So okay, all right, I got it. Let me zoom out, and I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. 1 second, hang on. Okay, I got the screenshot, and I'm just gonna go here and paste the screenshot. Okay, build a custom WordPress HTML code for the tool I have shown in the image. Okay, so let me just type it here in the image and see how good it is. Okay, while Manus is working, you can send messages anytime to modify tasks, add information, or stop current work. Okay, alright, I got it. Enable browse notifications. Okay, I don't want it. So I'll start working on building customization. Now, it went on. Okay, view files in a task. So let me just open. So I think it's analyzing. Now you can see it is also showing the time. That's a good thing. And editing file to do, updating the plan. Guys, whenever I gave this prompt, the end of the result should be the whole HTML code, which I'm gonna copy paste into my WordPress dashboard. But let's just see, like, it's creating files variations, which is MD and other things, or which I don't even use. So let me just wait and see. So we have this. I think first it went and created some instructions. So that's what it's doing, analyzing and documenting all the UI elements, inputting outputs and instructions from the image. Okay, good thing. So by the time ChatGPT or Cloud AI, it should have done the job easily. I think it's because browser oriented, like it's agentic. It goes around do interactions, UI and stuff, which is why I think it's taking a lot of time. I don't know. So if you have access to Manus AI from the beginning, let me know what you thought about this comparing to other models. Like, is it good or is it not? Like, how you're using, comment down below how you're using this Manus AI. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna copy this entire code. So right now you can see I'm on my WordPress. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this custom HTML, paste the code, preview, save the draft, and go to the preview new tab, and let's test this out. Okay, we have got it, and click on calculate. So let me just change the price and click on calculate. Are the numbers changing? So numbers aren't changing, so that's what it is. I think it's reading the file, so it's still making changes.